Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you Kimi K3 version has been released. It's a Chinese based AI model which is actually destroying the Claude, Opus Claude, Fable, which is premium AI model. So this is completely free and unlimited. You can try this model directly free online. So this is actually, if you go to their official website, this is a Chinese based model, Kimi.com, and the latest version is Kimi K3. Now to get started, you simply log in with your Google account. That's all that you need to do. There is no subscription inside this website. So once you do this, as you see, the latest version is Kimi K3, and you can see that Kimi K3. You can switch the model from here. So as you can see, we are using the Kimi K3 model. Directly you specify what sort of task that you want to perform. So let's suppose I want to build an application image to PDF web app in browser. So as soon as you type this, sometimes you can get this message. Too many people are chatting because it's completely free. They do have the paid plan as well. You can subscribe to enter a dedicated priority. So if I type this, so it has its own editor, code editor. It will do the necessary research. Then it will build out a complete full stack coding application. You will get the notification. It also has its own dedicated Kimi code, which you can directly install this inside your terminal. The command is simple. Directly you open PowerShell and directly install this. It also has its IDE as well, which you can directly install this in VS Code. So they also have terminal coding agent as well. So as you can see, it built out a complete full stack coding application image to PDF converter. So once it completes, you will also be able to see the code as well. This Kimi K3 model was recently released. If you directly type Kimi K3, so Kimi K3 is the Kimi latest model. You can read more about it, Kimi K3, which is really powerful, free, and unlimited to building coding applications. So they also offer a playground section. If you do want to integrate through the API section, you can first of all log in with your Google account. To get the API key, it's very simple. So once you log in to get the API, so they have this Moonshot AI, which is their parent company, and once you go to this, you can simply create a free API key. Click on that, just enter the name, and this will give you this API key. Simply copy this API key to clipboard. This is really easy to get the API key, and we also have this playground section as well. So this really destroys the Claude Opus, Claude, Fable, GPT, when all the premium AI models. So also they have given this example. You can build a Python app to integrate the API. So as you see, it built out the complete application. So you can directly try this application right here. You can select a bunch of images and click on download PDF. So you can see that. If you also want to see the code, so you can simply type. So it will give you the code as well. So as you see, as soon as you write this, the Kimi K3 will generate the code for you directly inside the editor. So then you can simply copy the code to clipboard directly. So there are various Kimi Work, Kimi Code, Kimi Claw. Kimi Claw is something for automation. Kimi Work, if you do want to create automations, this is an IDE. You can download this for Windows. So it's a local agent directly inside your Windows system. So they have quite a number of features, softwares, Kimi K3. Definitely visit their website and it's really awesome. So you can see it generated the code for the application. You can copy this code and you can create multiple chats as well. So there is no restriction on this. So you can do automation through websites, Word document sheets. You can even create slides as well through this Kimi K3 model. So directly type the prompt. I can simply say generate a PowerPoint presentation. So you simply enter the topic. So it will automatically do the research and then create the PowerPoint presentation, the slides, and then in the end you will be able to download the PowerPoint presentation. So PPT presentation it will create. So first of all, it is doing the research on the internet, getting the relevant results, and then it will insert the images and the actual text. And as you can see, it is executing the Python script directly inside the editor. It has its own editor in the background, which is actually executing all these things. So once you return the prompt, automatically all the research is going on. So definitely check out this Kimi K3 website, guys. It's recently released model and it is actually really powerful, free and unlimited. There is no restrictions on this. They do have the dedicated plan as well. So Kimi Code is actually a terminal coding agent which you can directly install. And for this you do need a subscription. So directly copy the command in PowerShell. So these are some of the plans of this Kimi K3. It is not necessary that you enroll in this, but so these are a monthly plan. So once you are uh, subscribed, you will be able to access the console. So it's a Chinese-based Kimi K3 website. So definitely check this out.